Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking some prawns, and this is quite an easy recipe, easy to make and healthy, with rich sauce full of flavor. I'm going to heat my large pan on a medium heat. Add some oil. I'm just using vegetable oil, and then I'll add one small onion, one small diced onion. Cook for about 2 minutes until the onion starts to be turning brown. And after cooking the onions, I'm going to add garlic, so fresh garlic, diced garlic. This is about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add curry paste, 2 teaspoons of curry paste. I just love the flavors of the curry paste. Cook for a few minutes until it starts to be fragrant. Mix the curry with the garlic and the onion. And then I'm adding some cherry tomatoes. And then cook the tomatoes until they are nice and soft. I'm going to deglaze the pan with some chicken stock. And then squash the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are all nice and soft and squashed, I'm going to add my prawns. So add the prawns. This is about 500 grams of prawns, and just cook in the sauce for a few minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the prawns. So this is just a quick recipe. It's so quick to make and easy to make, and then cook the prawns. Mixing the sauce so that the prawns can be evenly cooked. You can add some salt and pepper for taste. And finally, I'm going to add some parsley for garnish. And there you have it. Delicious and easy to make prawn recipe.